Welcome to geometry. Today, we are going to explore one of the most fundamental concepts in mathematics, lines. We will discover what they are, how they work, and the infinite straight paths they create through points. Before we can talk about lines, we need to understand the point. A point is an exact location in space. It is the building block of geometry. A point has no size, no width, and no depth. We represent it with a simple dot and name it using a capital letter, like point A. Now let's connect those points. A line is a straight path made up of an infinite number of points. The most important thing to remember is that a line has no beginning and no end. It extends forever in both directions. It has length, but no width. It is easy to confuse a line with a line segment. A real line goes on forever, but a line segment is just a piece of a line. It stops. It has a specific length and two specific endpoints. Think of a ruler. It starts at 0 and ends at 12. That is a segment, not a line. Next, we have the ray. A ray is a mix of both. It starts at a specific point, called an endpoint, but then it travels forever in just one direction. Think of a flashlight beam or sunlight. It starts at the source and shoots out infinitely into the darkness. Let's review the differences quickly. A line has 0 endpoints and goes forever both ways. A line segment has 2 endpoints and stops on both sides. A ray has 1 endpoint and goes forever in one direction. In geometry, we have a rule. Through any 2 distinct points, there's exactly one line that connects them. We can name a line by using any 2 points on it, like line AB. Sometimes, 3 or more points line up perfectly. When points lie on the same straight line, we call them collinear points. If they are scattered and cannot be connected by a single straight line, they are noncollinear. How do lines interact? Intersecting lines are lines that cross each other at exactly one point. Parallel lines are like train tracks. They run side by side in the same direction and never, ever touch, no matter how far they go. To wrap up, remember that geometry is built on points. Lines extend infinitely, segments are finite pieces, and rays go one way. Understanding these simple definitions is the key to mastering all shapes and figures in geometry. Thanks for learning with us.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.